Now we are talking about research paper. What is research paper? Always remember, it is just opposite to review paper. Review paper was compilation of others' work which has already been published and is available on the Google. If we talk about research paper, so research paper always reports the results of original research. Suppose we have started our research journey either as a doctoral fellow, for PhD, either as postdoctoral fellow, or even for master's dissertation small projects. So I can say whatever outcomes in our work we are getting, so of course that is representing some data which has not earlier been published by others. So it means it is original piece of work. That the data what here we have obtained, we can publish that as a research paper. Research articles, always remember, they are having these components, like it is always divided into title, abstract, introduction, methodology, results, discussion, and then references. Like if we talk about title, so it is very well clear. Abstract, in short, what we have done and what was the outcome. Introduction, in detail, the background information about that particular topic. Methodology, what kind of methods, materials we have used to carry out that particular research work, procedures, results. Then discussion. Now we will be discussing about the outcome, results, what we have got from our research. That in literature this information is available, but in my work this is the new outcome. So we will be comparing the things, we will be discussing here how this work is different and what kind of new information it is going to generate, and then references, right? Next, you should know research article, they are always published in a peer reviewed scholarly